Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sell parts of your share on Etoro. Do you want to sell parts of your share on Etoro? Then this video is the right one for you. First of all, you just have to log in and enter into your Etoro account like I already did. And after going on to Etoro, simply go onto your portfolio. And under the portfolio, you can see all the assets that you own, and here's the stocks that you want to sell as well. Simply click on the assets that you want to sell, and under the search option, simply click on sorts. If you do so, you can see there's an amount option of how much on how many you want to sell. If you click on this arrow button, you can see that there's a share option now. Now simply click on this value. You can just remove it and set as much as you want to sell. It can be how many you want. And after that, you just need to configure your settings of stop loss levels and profit. And after that, simply click on sort, and a part of your share that you have inputted will be sold. And that is a easy process on how you can sort a part of your share on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.